Hi, Marlene and Matteo. It's Rebecca Larkin from Massachusetts, and I wanted to get in touch with you this way, just to maybe start a dialogue or talk a little bit about where I'm coming from with your work, Matteo. I know you haven't been interested in, doesn't seem like in a phone call, and that's okay. Some students don't want to do that. Um, some things just get lost in the translation of email, and I thought I would just, try to clarify a little bit through a video. So basically, my concern is how you're getting your research, and it's not even so much the citing the research, because you've done that and you've shown where the stuff is coming from for the most part. It's really about how you're thinking about history. And it's not like there's really a right or a wrong way, but what I'm interested in is that with US history, you're learning some of the facts, not all of them, because nobody can know all of them and it's not necessary, but knowing some of the facts and then what you think of them and how to use those facts. And so it's part research, part summary, but really I'm much more interested that it has some meaning to you. And I know you're not American, and I know that this is a requirement probably because I don't know, because you want to get a degree from Oak Meadow. Maybe it's required. I'm not sure, but it doesn't really matter so much. It's you can compare and contrast what happens with American history to your own history, to the history of the Cayman Islands, the history of really anything. And so that's what I'm looking for. And I don't really want to ask you to go back because I don't see that that's all that useful. And my sense is that you're doing lessons the way you are because that's what you thought you were supposed to be doing. And so I don't want to, penalize you for that. What I want to do is help you learn how to do it a way that will make it more usable for you, more useful for you, hopefully more interesting for you. When you had asked about some modifications for that past lesson, and I said I wanted to know what it was that you wanted modified and well, really, and why, because then I can be a better teacher if I know where you're coming from. I understand, well, I don't understand, but I know there's other stuff going on in your life, and that's more important. And it's, health and family, and really most things are more important than school. I get that. So, if you don't want to have a conversation over phone, that's okay. Or over Zoom, we can dialogue through, talk through email. But I really just thought maybe if you saw my face and you saw, who I am, it might be a little bit more disarming, and that I'm not out to get you. I'm not out to accuse you or blame you. I want to be your teacher and help in any way I can. So I would invite you to get in touch with me about this or anything else, and let's see about how to move forward and not go back in the history, and see, what we can do as we finish out this semester and go into the next one. So anyhow, I'm sending you all my best from Waltham, Massachusetts, and I wish I were where you are in the sunshine, but so it goes. So anyhow, take very good care and look forward to hearing from you. Okay, bye-bye.